up, S.A.D.fam? It's Sight After Dark, aka S.A.D, back at you with another reaction. This time we're checking out LIZZ WRIGHT. The song is called Nature Boy, and it was selected by our patron Shoutin Chuck. Let's check it out. That's his whole body.
It sounds like a record scratch.
A very strange, enchanted boy. They say he wandered far over land and sea, and he was very shy and sad of eye, but very wise, very wise was he. Then one day, one magic day, he passed my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings, he boy. They say he wandered very far over many lands and seas. He was very shy, and there was so much sadness in his eyes, but very wise, so wise was he. Then one day he passed my way, and while we stood and spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you'll ever learn is to love and be loved in Different names.
We can
That
get
was amazing.
Yeah, I love. So obviously, I mean, first of all, shout out. Obviously, she has a beautiful voice. It was so clear, so crisp,
Yeah.
and the drumming was great. But the thing that I really loved about it was their synergy.
Yeah.
Like, I feel like the entire time they were just like this. Like, there might as well not even have been an audience. You know what I mean? I
Yeah.
felt like it was like a conversation between them almost. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I like that his drums were very tribal, and her singing style was a blend of jazz. The way her cascading notes were, it was very old jazz style. It's the tribalness, the jazz, into that nice, quiet intensity.
You don't feel like you're looking at this big, giant space with all these people there. You feel like it's a very intimate, like almost like I said, like a musical conversation between two people.
Yeah.
And we just happen to be able to witness it. You know
Yeah.
what I mean? Like, I don't know. I just think that's a really cool vibe that they hit. And then,
Oh yeah.
obviously, he was crushing on the drums the whole time. The percussion. And it's
It was
crazy.
really
His hands must be real thick. No? He's
I
got
know.
some calluses on his hands. He's hitting those
Exactly.
cymbals like, bah, bah, bah.
Yeah. Even when he was kind of rolling his hands and doing like a soft pat, it just seemed like it should have been quieter than it was.
Yeah, he's got like construction worker hands, you know what I mean? His hands are built like bricks. Like that's just crazy. But yeah, and this song was not about Ric Flair at all.
Oh my gosh, stop.
I
Why would
was,
it be about Rick Flair?
cuz he's the nature boy.
Oh, true.
I was going to make the joke before when we did the intro, but I forgot. So I had to throw it in there. Sorry guys. I know that was corny. But yeah, no, this was awesome. Shout out to I'm not familiar with Liz Wright at all. Have you?
It's like we should be familiar with her.
Like it's
you don't
like
know
it
Liz
has a
Wright?
presence.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know Liz Wright, she's great. You got to check her out next time she comes to town. You know? Hell yeah. So shout out to Liz. Shout out to she said his name at the end, but I forgot. Shout out to Shoutin Chuck, as always, for suggesting this. We appreciate you. If you guys don't know, our patrons, like Chuck, choose what we do and what we react to on this channel. So if you like what we do here, go check us out at patreon.com/SideAfterDark. But until next time, we are Side After Dark, and we'll see you soon. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you made it to this point in the video, definitely make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. It really helps us out a lot.
And guys, you gotta check out our merch. We've got all the links below for all our Sight After Dark merchandise. You've got to get something.
Check us out on Patreon. All of our patrons help to determine what content we make. We put bonus content on there, and every single dollar helps us to continue making content like this.
Don't forget to listen to our music. Everywhere where you stream music, Sight After Dark appears. So check out our music on all streaming platforms.
See you soon.